Uno Speed Pack, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Add the 16 speed cards to your classic Uno game. Each round, play begins at speed level 1. Whenever a speed up card is played, then starting at the next player's turn, increase the speed level for all the players by 1. Whenever a wild double speed is played, then the speed level is increased by 2 instead. The current speed level determines the total number of cards you must play on your turn. So, if the speed level is 4, you must play 4 cards. Each card is played one at a time, with each subsequent card matching the last card played. Action cards only resolve if they are the last card you play. However, cards that increase the speed level still work, increasing the speed level at the start of the next turn. If you are unable to play the same number of cards as the current speed level, then you crash. Play what you can, then draw penalty cards equal to the current speed level. Your turn ends and the next player goes, with the speed level resetting back to 1, regardless if you had played any cards to increase the speed. If you run out of cards before you reach the speed level, then you don't crash but win. Finally, remember to yell Uno in the middle of playing multiple cards or get hit with the penalty.